of and out of that box, actually the AED will be lowered. It will be done by winching in order to, in most of the cases, keep the distance with the bystanders. So you see here the box is actually made out of a winching system that actually now lowers the AED. Speed is very slow so that you can edit it on camera. You see these are not toys anymore, these are drones that are more than 3 meters in diameter. Very performant vehicles. And you will have seen that inside of the Aura, we have also DORA compliant drone that looks very different with the swings. Watching now the drone is releasing the AED, has been delivered, and then we'll be able to fly away. And then the bystander can come and point the AED to the middle of nowhere or close to the city. Your mission completed, but in the field, mission is still continuing, trying to save the patients by applying the AED. So we know that in a small third of the cases, the AED is the only thing that makes a difference and really save a person. It's actually an amazing tool. And unfortunately, the number of cardiac arrests is very high. Those are around 11,000. So now you see the AED pads being applied. The AED will do a measurement, no influence by the bystanders. The shock is being applied, continuation of the procedure, repetition as necessary, and hopefully the patient will come through. So this completes our